Everybody doing today? My name is Nicky Silver Stacker. The reason for this video because I want to do a shout out to TuberChat. This is an amazing community that I like to be part of. And if you're new to YouTube, looking to grow your channel, they do help small YouTube channels grow. They have oncoming live coming up this Tuesday. Uh, this is it right here. I will put the link below so you guys can have it. But if you're new to YouTube, looking to grow your channel, um, I'm the same way. I'm also new at this, and I went ahead and bought me a book. So I started reading a book and everything. And I also I'm getting into also as well as AI. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll talk about AI that can help you grow your YouTube channel as well. But I just want to do a quick shout out to TuberChat. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys, and that's all I gotta say. Bye bye.